Good afternoon, everyone. This is a 1981 barn find. It is a CM400T from 1981. She sat for 20 years in a barn because the owner passed away and the children were never interested in putting it back on the road. She sat here for the winter under a tarp, and as you see, all she got was just a little dusty.
Last time it was on the road was 1993. 93. So what's that?
19 years ago.
Almost 20 years ago. So we're going to load this up today and take it to my shop and cut down some of the dirt. We're going to take all the dirt off it anyway for now and see what you actually have.